In today's video, I am going to teach you how to extinguish yourself using a cauldron in Minecraft 26.1.2, updated 2026 guide. This is a very simple safety trick that can help you recover quickly if your character catches on fire. The goal is to use a water-filled cauldron to remove the fire effect immediately. As long as you prepare the cauldron first, the process is fast and easy. Start by placing a cauldron in a safe and accessible spot. Choose an area where you can reach it quickly if you are near lava, fire, or any other dangerous source that can set your character on fire. Once the cauldron is placed, fill it with water. Make sure the cauldron actually contains water before you continue, because an empty cauldron will not extinguish the flames. After the cauldron is filled, you are ready for the next part. If your character catches on fire, move to the cauldron right away. You do not need to use any extra item at this point. The important thing is to get into the water cauldron as soon as possible so you take less damage. Step directly inside the water-filled cauldron. As soon as your character is standing in it, the fire will be extinguished immediately. This works because the water inside the cauldron removes the burning effect as soon as you make contact with it. If you are moving quickly, you can stop the damage almost right away. Once the flames are gone, step back out of the cauldron and continue playing. At that point, your character will be safe from the fire that was just affecting you. If you are exploring dangerous areas, it is a good idea to keep a cauldron prepared nearby so you can repeat the same method again whenever needed. To review the full process, place a cauldron, fill it with water, and leave it ready for emergencies. If you catch on fire, go straight to the cauldron and stand inside it. The fire will go out immediately. Then you can exit the cauldron and continue safely. This is one of the quickest ways to put yourself out when water is available in a compact form. It is easy to set up, easy to use, and very reliable during normal gameplay. That covers everything you need to know.